Hello all, in this video we are going to see about how to get started with Matter using ESP32. We will see brief introduction to Matter standard, Espressif Matter solutions and SDKs. Then subsequently in practical session, like we always do, we will see a DIY project about how we can make ESP32 as a Matter accessory or end device. We will see Matter Lite applications on ESP32 C3 and C6 development boards, and control them using smart speakers like Alexa Echo Dot. So, without any further delays, let's get started. So what is Matter? The Matter is a freely available connectivity standard for smart home and Internet of Things. So, it's a connectivity standard, or protocol. It originated in December 2019 as the Project Connected Home over IP that is famously called as the CHIP, for short working group founded by Amazon, Apple, Google, and the Zigbee Alliance, which is now called the Connectivity Standards Alliance. Basically, Matter is an open standard for smart home technology that lets your device work with any Matter-certified ecosystem using a single protocol. Hence, in a nutshell, we can say, Matter is a protocol that allows smart devices from different companies to communicate with each other. Basically, devices that speak Matter operate on the same commands. So you might have seen smart devices like smart bulbs, smart switches, and latest versions of smart speakers like Alexa Echo Dot and Google Home Mini, which comes with Matter enabled. Means, the logo of Matter standard is usually printed on the cover of device, or on the device itself. Here you can see, these are some examples of smart devices which are currently available in the market. These all are supported for Matter protocol, and can be installed or integrate into existing Matter ecosystems. Smart Home is the main application area of Matter standard. It facilitates creation of Matter ecosystem in which you can connect smart devices of different companies, and even with different wireless standards like Wi-Fi, Thread, Bluetooth, and Zigbee. Here, Matter is a global open-source standard that aims to simplify the smart home ecosystem by allowing internet-connected devices from different manufacturers to simply and securely communicate. So you can see, as in this smart home floor plan, we can connect different smart home devices like air conditioner, lamps, switches, lights, IP cameras, heater, cooler, washing machine, dishwasher, geyser, and so on. Here, Matter standard will let your devices work with any Matter certified ecosystem using a single protocol. Let's see the network protocol stack of Matter. Here you can see the generalized network stack diagram of Matter standard. It consists of different layers. At physical layer or link layer you will see all radio and wireless standards, like IEEE 802.15, 11, and Bluetooth. Likewise, in network or transport layer you can see the different wireless protocols like Zigbee, Thread, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Matter itself comes at application layer with bridge, provisioning via Bluetooth Low Energy, and different mesh and profiles. There is also a cluster library in application layer. With all these specifications we can connect to cloud services and ecosystems like Apple HomeKit, Philips Hue, Amazon Alexa, SmartThings, Google Home, etc. This was all about brief introduction to Matter standard. You will find plenty of information about Matter on internet. Please refer if you're interested in study the Matter standard in detail. For the time being, we will not go more deeper in theory of Matter protocol, since we are creating this video tutorial focusing only on Espressif Matter solutions, and how we can implement them using ESP32 SoCs. To learn more about Espressif Matter solutions, let's check out the website of Espressif. Here is the website page for Espressif solution for Matter. This is the link. We will share it in video description. So, you can see, they have given detailed information to build Matter-enabled smart home devices with ease. Let's see in brief. So as they said here, Matter is an industry unifying standard that provides reliable and secure connectivity for smart home devices. It is an IP-based connectivity protocol that works on Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and Thread over 802.15.4 radio transports, with Bluetooth LE being used for commissioning. So, being an active contributor to the development of the Matter protocol. Espressif, with its unique combination of connectivity SoCs, software, and complete solutions, makes it easy for their customers to build Matter-enabled smart home devices of various types. Espressif provides the most comprehensive solutions for Matter, including support for Wi-Fi or Thread endpoint devices, Thread border routers, and Matter bridges and gateway reference designs. Now here comes most interesting part, Espressif's hardware for Matter. So as they said earlier, Espressif has wide range of hardware support for implementation of Matter ecosystem. So you can see here, these all are types of devices and nodes usually comprises in Matter ecosystem, like Wi-Fi end devices, Thread end devices, Ethernet end devices, Thread border router, Matter bridge and controller. Let's see all these with smart home example. So you can see, this is a smart home consists of different smart devices installed around, like Wi-Fi IP camera and washing machine, switch and AC as Thread end devices, router as Ethernet end device, smart speaker with Thread border router, and Bluetooth and Zigbee-based Matter bridge. So what Espressif offers to implement these all nodes? Here they have given wide range of Wi-Fi enabled SoCs such as ESP32, ESP32 C and S series can be used for building Matter compatible Wi-Fi devices. Then ESP32H series SoCs and modules supporting IEEE 802.15.4 can be used for building Matter compatible Thread end devices. Similar to this, for each of this node of Matter ecosystem, Espressif has hardware support with their feature-rich series of SoCs and microcontrollers. So this was all about hardware. Now let's see about software for Matter standard. So, Matter has open source Matter SDK. This is the open source implementation of the Matter protocol, which is jointly done by CSA member companies and the community. Not only does this provide a device implementation, but it also includes Android and iOS controller implementations. You can see here in diagram that the ESP32 series of chips is an integral part of this open source Matter SDK. Espressif System also developed their own variant of SDK for Matter. Espressif's SDK for Matter has been developed over the open source Matter SDK to provide a simplified API and the required tools for building Matter-compatible devices with Espressif SoCs. Here, ESP-IDF means Espressif IoT Development Framework. It provides two-chain, API, components, and workflows to develop applications for ESP32 using Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. In addition to this, the Alexa Connect Kit, ACK, SDK for Matter from Amazon also supported by Espressif, which makes the SDK work on Espressif SoCs like ESP32 C3 and ESP8685 modules with a 4 MB of minimum flash. Then going forward, another Espressif solution or service for Matter is ESP0 Code. ESP0 Code is a web-based application specifically created to prepare Matter-certified firmware for ESP32 devices, as per the user's preferences and specifications. And as its name implies, there is no need to spend time on such things as firmware development, phone apps, cloud connectivity and maintenance, certification, or manufacturing complexities. No coding at all. ESP0 Code modules provide a ready-made, plug-and-play solution for building common smart home devices, such as LED lights, outlets, switches, dimmers, relays, and fans. ESP0 code modules are based on ESP32 C3, ESP32 C2, and ESP32 H2, all of which come pre-programmed with firmware for the required device types. You can learn more and try ESP0 code by going to this link, zerocode.espressif.com. We have detailed tutorial planned for ESP0 code in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Okay, going back to our previous page. Next is Matter Pre-Provisioning Service. Espressif's Matter Pre-Provisioning Service allows customers to order modules from Espressif that are securely pre-programmed with the credentials that are mandatory for every Matter device. These include the unique DAC certificates as well as the QR code related information. Then next, Espressif has shown demo video of Matter ecosystem implemented using their devices. You can check out this video for more information. This demo shows Espressif's comprehensive solution for Matter connectivity that includes Wi-Fi end devices, Thread end devices, a Thread border router, and Matter Zigbee bridge providing Matter connectivity to off-the-shelf Zigbee devices. This demo showcases the device-to-device communication irrespective of connectivity technology in the local area network without relying on the internet connectivity. Okay, let's get back. And going down here, where they have given link to the guide of getting started with Matter on ESP32. So when you click on this Get Started button, you will be redirected to the GitHub page of ESP Matter repository. You will find complete Espressif's SDK for Matter on this repo. You will get all information like supported Matter specification versions and Matter examples in this repository. Please note that you have to use ESP-IDF for experimenting with these Matter examples. We will see this ESP-IDF implementation and Matter examples in detail in our upcoming videos. But for the time being, we will use and see ESP Launchpad for demonstration of Matter application on ESP32. For that, go at the end of this repository page. Here you will find this button saying, Try it with ESP Launchpad. Click on this button to open Launchpad. Like this. New window will open which is similar like we seen in Rainmaker demo, but this one is specific to Matter. Hence its link is like this, the Matter Launchpad. So as we know from our earlier tutorial that this tool, ESP Launchpad, is not supported on Safari and Firefox browsers yet. So, please try using another browser like Google Chrome, as ESP Launchpad makes use of WebUSB to communicate with the device. Currently Safari and Firefox browsers don't support it yet. So let's open it in Google Chrome and program the Matter application into ESP32 boards. So, here is the ESP Launchpad for Matter, which we have opened in Google Chrome. We have seen the ESP Launchpad in earlier video for Rainmaker. This is for Matter applications. This is the link. We will share the link in description of this video. ESP Launchpad helps you to flash the selected firmware image onto your device. Then down here, they have given supported ESP chipsets and the Matter applications. There are only two Matter applications currently available for demo in Launchpad, Light and Switch. And the supported ESP chipsets are ESP32, ESP32 C3, ESP32 C6, and ESP32 H2. And above here, in menu, you will see all tools of Launchpad. Like Connect, you can click on it to connect to your USB-attached ESP32 devices. Here it also shown that on which COM port they are connected serially. In our case, we have connected ESP32 C3 and ESP32 C6, these two development boards. And subsequently we have opened two ESP Launchpad tabs. Now let's go to the first tab. And here we will connect our ESP32 C3 development board. Okay, for that go to Tools menu. Click on Connect option. New pop-up window will get open, which is the Web USB window. Here you will see ESP32 C3 got listed as COM port 8. Since we have already connected our ESP32 C3 board to one of USB port of our laptop, select this and click on Connect button. Then go to Tools menu again. Select DIY option. As soon as you select your board in Web USB window, the connected board's name will be shown here like this: ESP32 C3 Revision 3. Then go down here and click on this Erase Flash red button to erase the flash of device. This will erase earlier firmware from flash memory of the dev board. It is good to start from scratch. This window will show status of erased flash. This will take some time. Once the chip erase get completed successfully, you will get notified about it. Then next, again go to menu and select Quick Start option to go to home page. Here now device is connected and erased. So we can now select application type here, which will be light application. And then, as we have connected ESP32 C3, select it. Then next, click here on this flash button to download and flash the Matter Lite application firmware onto our ESP32 C3. So, check all things and click on Flash. This will open another log verbose window, which will show process of flashing with percentage. So once it reaches 100%, another pop-up will get open stating that flashing of firmware is completed, and you can now reset your device. Click on Done or close this window, and then click on this Reset Device button to reset the ESP32 device. On next window, it will ask for confirmation. Then once device is got reset, you will see this green colored text verbose log showing that Matter firmware is started running on our device. Now next is commissioning. So to commission the sample application, you have to scan this given QR code with Matter supported phone apps to set up the device. So here, we have already opened window of our Matter supported phone screen, and we have already installed Amazon Alexa app. Since we are going to add our ESP32 Matter Lite device into Alexa app and control it using our smart speaker Echo Dot. So let's open Alexa app. To add a new device, click on the plus icon from top right corner here in Alexa app. Select Add Device option. Then on next window, you can either select this Connect Your Matter Device option or go down in this list. At last, the option is Other Devices. Click on it. Here it will ask which logo you have on your device. With this method, you can add all types of wireless devices like Bluetooth, Zigbee, or Matter. Then on next window, it will also ask does your device have a Matter logo. So click Yes, since we have it. You can confirm it here in Launchpad. Okay, then next, is your device turned on? Click Yes. Okay, now this is important step. Here you have to locate and scan the QR code. Down here in app is the Scan QR code button. You have to click it. It will open camera of smartphone, and you have point the camera to the QR code which we got on Launchpad. As soon as you do that, Alexa app will start looking for your device via BLE. Here make sure that your device is in pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth and location services on your smartphone. Your ESP32 should be within 10 meters of your Amazon Echo device and your smartphone. This will take up to a minute. Okay, so once ESP32 gets successfully connected to Alexa, this window will be shown, saying that the test vendor light means our Matter application is found and connected. Then you can click Next. On next window, you have to give proper name to your Matter device. We will name it as Matter Lite. Then on next window is Group Setup, which you can skip. So finally you will get this window saying that our device, that is Matter Lite, is set up and ready to use. And you can control it by saying, Alexa, turn on Matter Lite. Okay, let's see this. So here is Matter light got added in devices, and it is showing status, which is on. That is correct. You can see and confirm it in real time. Click on this button to go further into setup of light. Here you can change light application properties, like power status, brightness, and color. You can also create routine if you want. Here in demo, you can see the real-time changes. We will also check it using voice commands.
Alexa, turn off the matter light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the matter light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the matter light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the matter light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn brightness of matter light to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn brightness of matter light to 20%.
Okay.
Alexa, change color of matter light to white.
Okay.
Alexa, change color of matter light to warm white.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the matter light.
Okay.
Okay, this was about our first device, ESP32 C3. Now let's test for another device, that is ESP32 C6. So let's check for this one, ESP32 C6. For that, open another tab in browser with starting new ESP Launchpad tool. Here, we will do similar setup or process, like we did earlier for ESP32 C3. Just follow along. Select COM9 in Web USB window, which is our ESP32 C6. You can see, Launchpad has detected our ESP32 C6. Then, as we done earlier, first erase it, and then flash it. Then, once flashed, add it to Alexa app by scanning Matter QR code. Just remember, In setup, give different name to this Matter application, like Matter bulb or second light. And like previously done, test it using voice commands and manual method.
Alexa, turn off the matter bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the matter bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, turn brightness of matter bulb to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, change color of matter bulb to white.
Okay.
Alexa, change color of matter bulb to warm white.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the matter bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the matter light.
Okay.
Alexa, change color of matter light to white.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the matter bulb. Alexa, change color of matter bulb to white. Alexa, turn brightness of matter bulb to 50%. Alexa, turn brightness of matter bulb to 20%.
So, in this way, we can use ESP Launchpad to program Matter applications into ESP32 and control them remotely. Here, please note that, while we were making this video tutorial, Espressif updated the Matter ESP Launchpad. Hence, there are some big updates happened. Previously, we have seen that, in Matter ESP Launchpad, there were only 2 applications given, which were Matter Light and Switch. But now there are 4 applications are showing at the time of this recording in May 2024. They have also removed support for ESP32 and ESP32 C3 dev boards. Now only 2 dev boards are showing here, ESP32 C6 and H2. Let's hope they will add support for more ESP32 boards in future. On repository of Espressif, ESP Matter, there are several other applications. You can see it here in examples. But to program them, we need to install ESP IDF, Espressif's IDE development framework. We also need some other Matter ecosystem devices such as Thread Border Router, Matter Bridge, Controller, and Thread devices. We also need to study Espressif's SDK for Matter, which is very integral part of ESP solutions for Matter ecosystem. We will also see some DIY projects on Matter and ESP Rainmaker integration. As this is very vast topic, we will see all those things in upcoming videos. Alright, so, in this way, we have seen overview of getting started with Matter on ESP32 development board. In future, we will try to make more projects using this amazing standard. Stay tuned for more projects and tech updates. If you face any difficulty in replicating our DIY projects, feel free to ping us on Telegram or WhatsApp. You can also send us email at info@theratemakeToExplore.com. We would be happy to help. Thank you.